In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Google form and embed that into your Moodle course. And you may remember in our course, when we very first started, we wanted to go through and make sure that everybody had a time log to fill out, and so they were able to download it and you were able to save it here. And then what I wanted was you to put in your first name, last name, and to notify me if yes, you were able to get that downloaded and saved, or let me know no, I wasn't able to download it. That way I could get to the people who needed help with the downloading and the savings. And then all you had to do was press submit. And so you see down here it says powered by Google Docs. So this is a Google form, and I've just embedded it right in here to our course that we've been working with. And I'll first show you how you can set up a Google form and then how to embed. So it's really easy to set up a form. I'm going to go back to my Google Docs account that I have open. And here I'm going to say I want to create a form. Here, this is really important. Require SCC RESA signed in to view the form. St. Clair County RESA has set up their own Google Apps portal. That's just something schools can do if they want to integrate Google Docs within their school. I don't want to force people to have a sign-in to view and do this form. And it's just telling me this is going to make my form accessible outside of St. Clair County RESA, which is good for me. So in this example, I went and I put a title in here for this form, and it's a project sign-up. My instructions to the students may be something like this. As you know, we have been studying the 9 big eras of population growth, and now it is time for you to study one of those eras in greater depth. So please choose one of the 9 big eras that interests you to research. So if it's a sign up, you want to know the student's name, first name and last name, and so it's a sample question 1 here. This is the question text. So we're going to take this out, and it's where the first name goes. Help text, say something like type your first name here. Question type, it's text. Yes, because you want students to type into a box and make this a required field. I would say yes to do that, because that way they can't skip over and not put their first name in. And you say done, and that's what it'll look like. And so we already have a space for our second area, and this is the edit button, this is the duplicate button just to make an exact copy, and this is the delete button. So I'm going to edit, and then this is where I would want my last name, and this is also text. I'm going to make it required, and I'm going to say done. And so that's what it looks like without the help text. To get a new one, I'm just going to duplicate the one before it. We just have to take out last name here. This one would be the students are going to choose their era here, the era you choose, and it's just going to be pick one of eras below. And this, instead of text this time, we are going to choose from a list, and you could do multiple choice as well. So let's do that. And then so this would be era 1. To add an option here, so I'm going to say era 2. I'm just trying to do a quick example. If you were doing it, you might, remind the students what these eras are. And so our form is ready. We like the way this looks. All we have to do here now is go, and I'm going to save it, and to embed your form, you go to more actions and embed option here with your code, copy. I can cancel this, and now I'm going to go back to my Moodle course, and I can add a resource here. And for this, I'm going to add the page resource. Title this sign up, click the HTML tool, and right click and paste and update. Save and return to course, and we'll take a look here by clicking on it. Student can go type their first and last name in and go and make a selection here and submit, and they'll get a window that says that this response has been recorded. So I'm going to close this window. From my Moodle course, I can go back and get the data that has been collected from your Google form. We're going to go back to our Google Docs account that I still have open here, and you'll see that it says project sign up right here. So when people go and submit their form, it all gets collected into one spreadsheet. It's time stamped with the date and the time that the person submitted their form, first name, last name, and their selection. So from here, the only thing that needs to be pointed out is that if you needed to go back to the form to make any edits, and here you can go to the live form just for viewing what that looks like again, and also you can go here if you need to get back to the embed code there. So it says embed form in a web page. So you can click that, and it takes you right back to that code that you copied before. I hope you enjoyed this video, and Google Forms is a great way to collect information for your students. Hopefully it will save you time and energy. So thanks so much for watching.